India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I'm proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, classmates, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. I shall be kind to animals. I further pledge that I shall always do everything possible to make my school better and more beautiful, and I shall never bring disgrace to my school, to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness.